Okay, now here is a girl that I have available, born July 3rd, 23. She's really small, and she's very, very sweet. Yes, my sweet baby. Oh, yeah. Hey. Hey, sweetheart. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. My sweetie. Oh, what a sweet baby. Yes, you are. Such a sweet girl. Yes. Located in the suburbs of Chicago, Illinois. She'll go to the vet on Wednesday, get vaccinated, dewormed, and have a complete nose-to-tail exam. And if the vet says she's ready to go, then she will be officially 8 weeks old. Well, she's actually going to be 8 weeks old on Monday. Yes. Yes, you are. Yes. Oh, such a good girl. Such a good girl. Yeah. My sweet baby. Hello. Okay, it's time to go sleep, I know. Oh, but I can't see you over there. Can I put you over here? Thank you. There we are. Hi, babies. Hi. That's a good girl. Yes, you are. Such a good girl. Okay. Say goodbye. What's up, babies? Hi, sweetie. Okay. All right. Come on. Oh, I know. Bye-byes. Oh, my sweetheart. Bye-bye.